Hey guys, what's going on? It's been a minute. All kinds of GoPro issues. They finally came through, sent me a new GoPro, so here we are, back recording. We'll see what happens. Been so long. Where are we at? Jeep update. Got the injectors in, running way better. Still got to button it up, finish it. That'll be back in the garage soon, but right now the garage is full with excavator shenanigans. Got some fresh paint going down. Buddy Reed came over, helped me shoot some, but she's ready for assembly probably tomorrow. Letting the paint dry a little bit more. And then I gotta measure out some glass to have cut. Should be mint. Be out. I got most of the grease fittings taken, grease. I got a couple grease savers, Zerk savers that I gotta cut off and redo because they bent. But give it a service and should be ready to work. We have a couple things going on this weekend. We're supposed to have some rain tomorrow afternoon, but the weather's gonna hold, so I gotta haul some material in the morning and see what the day brings us. I haven't fired up the Freightliner in a while, so yeah, cold start that baby, make sure she's good to go, check the oil, and we'll see. Got our FL60. Said I haven't ran it in a couple weeks, so check the oil out. Got a cat, 3126. She does what I need it to do. A little underpowered, but not bad. It goes, just ain't winning any races. Got some upgrades we're gonna do to this thing. Needs a service too, but got an exhaust valve we're gonna put in for a little exhaust brake action. But we'll fire her up. Here's the truck. Boy. Oh, let that run. I'm gonna go check cows and see what the afternoon brings. I got some wood I gotta stack and move around a little bit with the tractor. Put a bucket on. The job tomorrow. The old shed is full to the brim. I got everything in here. Everything but the big Ford. We were supposed to have a big blizzard a couple weeks ago that never came, so I packed everything tight. And, well, I guess I gotta take it all out. But I fed all the second cutting we had in the lower hoop building. So I'm out of dry round second cut. So I gotta be able to get to the back of the barn and get these first cutting out. Just some stuff probably from June, I would think. It's pretty nice. Small stem. Smells pretty good. While the camera was out, the Massey here got a service. I fixed the Ford reverser. There's like a A, C, D range in these, the regular 8-speed with the high-low, and an electronic solenoid that was out. So we got that fixed. Basic service, everything went pretty good. Chased around a wiring problem for a while with the 4-ways. Ended up being a relay in underneath the dash. It was just a pain in the ass to find, and worst part was it would work sometimes, it wouldn't. You'd mess around with things and it would work, you think you had it figured out, and you go back into it a day later and it's still doing the same thing. So we should have that figured out, but just a little update for you guys. So we're gonna grab the Ford tractor. I gotta move a little wood. I gotta fill up a crate of wood that I got sitting out there. Then I gotta fire this up. And I think I'm gonna bring, I was thinking I was gonna bring the Ford to the job, but maybe I'll just bring this Bobcat instead. We will see. Everything's really starting to green up now. A couple warm days, looking good. Got a crate of wood in here I gotta grab. And then I got a little bit of wood left. I got an empty crate on the other side of the barn here. I'm gonna grab that and finish topping it off. But that's how we do our firewood. About the easiest way I've found. Pick it up with the tractor, throw it in the boiler shed, and done. Got a milk mustache. Well, got that one about 3/4 of the way stacked. Got a little bit more there to cut up, and then that will be full. But I gotta pull the forks off of this, so I'll dump that crate over with the rest of them for now. Got a lot moving, a lot of spring cleaning going on, moving stuff. Got some dirt I want to move in the back behind the hoop. So everything's kind of not in its final resting spot, so I gotta move it twice, but at least on forks it ain't too hard to do. I was going to switch to the bucket on this, but I'm going to have to take it off the Bobcat anyway, so I might as well just load this up on the trailer and use this at tomorrow's job. This thing has not liked the start in the winter. I don't know, I'm going to have to go through it and check out those glow plugs a lot better than I did. Thought they were working, they seem to be getting warm, but apparently not as warm as they need it. Or she's just, you know, getting tired for probably close to 40-year-old machine, but we will see if she wants to start. Well, that ain't a good start. Battery's bone dead. Dead. I just charged it up. I don't know, last weekend? Got a loose battery cable. Definitely not helping the situation. So maybe it's just it's pretty loose. Toot. So I'm not sure if that's my only problem or not though. Alright, we'll give that a shot. So it probably wasn't my only problem. Nope, that didn't do a thing. Well, we got a dead battery and I need that bucket. So I will have to see if we got jumper cables here. Thought I did, doesn't look like I do now. Barn shops, always kind of a mess. Stuff just gets thrown everywhere. I don't know why that battery's dead like that. Like I said, I just charged that last weekend. After we went through that bitter cold, I figured I could use a little charging. Does not make me want to take that to the job. Oh, look at that. Jumper cables. A little bit of vitamin A, fish are getting going. gonna let that charge for a little bit. Go put my trailer on the truck and come back down, see if she's gonna start. Seems like that battery has some juice, so hopefully it's not a starter issue. Always struggling with batteries, always. Batteries or tires, never fails. You got it. I think we're up to attempt number 3. We will see what happens. Not real promising. Well, this is, I figured, ain't gonna happen. Don't really feel like digging into why it's not running at the moment. The voltmeter and check all that stuff, but not at the moment. Move a couple tractors, try to get that bucket yanked out. Not so easy. Hoping, yeah, it should be free. It should be good there. I don't know, coming with the forks maybe, bump it along. Not real sure. Yeah, it might turn to be a bit more of a project than I was thinking. Oh, got one side out. This bucket's not real heavy. Manhandle it. Alright. Bucket's out, away from the bobcat. Move the zetter, get in here with the 4, see if I can't fish it out of there. Basically moving all the equipment I need to move, but of course it's gonna rain tomorrow. So everything will have to come back in tonight. Zetter, she always starts. She don't care. Below 30 out and this girl will fire up. Same with the Massey normally. The one fires right up pretty good too. The old girl run for a little while. So, what I'm thinking, grab a chain, throw it around that hook on the bucket, and hopefully I can kind of finagle it out and be in good shape, but we shall see. You guys hang out here. Yeah, I do. Planned on doing it, but that should work. Leave that there just in case, because you know, probably go wrong again. Got it there. Can't turn. And good. Don't need the fork tomorrow, I just need the bucket. Forks hitting the ground. Well, that'll probably do it for this video. showed you guys around a little bit, see where I've been, what I've been up to. Said not too much. The GoPro's a pretty good company. You know, they sent out another GoPro. It just seemed like it took forever, but it is what it is, I guess. They didn't want to send me one until I sent them mine, so that took a little time in shipping and all that. But so we got a little job to do in the morning. I'll probably take you guys along with me. Got some manure to haul out. Just another way we make a little income, cleaning up horse manure for people, you know, once they pile it up out of their barn, haul it away. I flip it over for a couple years, end up with nice loom.